Good morning. I'll welcome you back to the farm. I'm down here in the south market garden. I'm gonna do a little tilling here today. See how weedy it's getting. If you remember right, we run the disc car over this to break up the biodegradable mulch. And so I did a little test run right before I started filming. I just run one swap down through here, and you can tell. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is a little bit wet. I was hoping to get the corn patch done today. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's going to definitely be too wet because it's got like weeds on it, so it's not quite as bad. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it, till it kind of lightly, not real heavy, and maybe that'll get drying out because next week, today I'm filming this on Thursday, so Monday I won't start laying plastic, hopefully. And all depends on the weather. It has to be a little bit drier. It has to be a lot drier than it is now. It won't lay. So I'm gonna got my old John Deere down here, my 55D, and my 6-foot tiller, and I've already got warmed up because I've already done this. Drove it down here, let it warm up a minute. So let's get to tilling and get this done. I don't think it'd take that long, maybe about 20 minutes. I got a little project I did in the greenhouse, or the high tunnel, I mean, and we're gonna look at it and try it out for the first time. Then I'm gonna go show you the farm stand, see how it's finished up. We'll finish up there. Might even bring the TYM down here. I got to, and bush hog around this garden because it looks a little bit unruly. We don't like it like that. So I can just mow. Hopefully I can get it done before it rains. We can mow around the gardens and the high tunnels. All right, let's get started. It's a kind of overcast, kind of feels like a little bit like rain. Didn't rain much yesterday, but we got about 1.75 inches the day before. We got a little bit last night, not a whole lot. So, but anyway, let's get to tilling. Okay, so we got her done, and it started raining about halfway through, drizzling a little bit, so kind of hurried up, put the camera up, and won't get wet, but we got it all done. My tiller's kind of clogging up with mud. My tractor's having a little problem. I don't know if you heard it surging in there. There's a pre-filter in the diesel tank that I guess collects a bunch of gunk, and you have to clean it out every now and then, so it needs cleaned out. The only problem is I just filled it up, so I don't want to take all that fuel out, but I'm gonna have to, I guess. So but anyway, it's all done. It's a little bit muddy. That's all right. We'll let it dry up, and we'll come back and put some till it again, put some plastic down. We'll do a teak till this time. I was just kind of low RPMs, kind of going a little bit fast, so just wanted to get it turned over and get that plastic cut up, because I still got quite a bit of plastic in my tiller tines. I'll have to dig all that out. So all right, so I did a little project yesterday up in the high tunnel, and let's go up there. I'm gonna try it out for the first time, and I'll tell you about it when we get up there. Okay, I'm up here in the high tunnel, and we did a little project yesterday. We run an overhead sprinkler system, and I want to take you and show you that. Basically, just really wasn't much to it. I just biggest thing, I hope I got the right sprinkler heads. Right there's one. It's called an inverted wobbler, and it's supposed to have a 32-foot diameter, so hopefully I got it spaced right. I have not tried this yet, so you're going to see it live, or semi-live. But you can see I just run it right down the middle. Here's a wobbler. All the way to the end. And I kind of measured out little dots, like right here, right over there. So I hope it is right. I've got it connected with a water hose right here, and right here. I actually think I'm gonna cut that, put a 90 and run it down here. I had a different water hose there that I was going to use. It's kind of a scrap water hose. This is a scrap too, but the one I had is too small. Had to cut and put an end on it. So all right, I'm gonna turn the water on, and let's see what happens here. Oh, that's cool. Hey, worked pretty good actually. The first one ain't working. The first two are working really good. Let's go over and I'll show you them. And I need to cut this water down a little bit. That might be the problem. Hold on. This one ain't working for some reason. These are working great. Matter of fact, I can feel it all the way over here. And I don't know if you can hear that or not. It's really a real fine mist. It's not real heavy. That's pretty cool. And the back one's working too. Yeah, this is cool. All right, let me check and see what's wrong with this one. And I thought something kind of stopped it up. Maybe some glue or something. So we'll turn the water off just a second, check this one out, and we'll turn it back on and let it go. Ooh, it's coming all the way out here. Let me back up. All right, so that had a little, I put the PVC glue in there, and I had a little piece of PVC glue that run out, and got all kinds of problems over there. This over is leaking. Like I said, I just put the hose in with scrap pieces. Oh wow, that's awesome. I don't know if I can get to the edges or not. Let me see real quick. Okay, yeah, it's hitting the edges like I wanted to because I had to move this one up. They kind of overlap in the middle, which might be a little bit of a problem. But it's not a big deal. I don't know how good it's showing up on camera. But it's kind of like it's not like a sprinkler, like that big sprinkler that I use. It's kind of like a mist, so that might even be better than hook it up. I won't have to fool with it, let it run, so I like it. I'm actually going to do the other one too. So I've got enough wobblers to do it, and I'll have to get the, I think I got enough pipe and everything. So I might have to get some more adapters or something. So anyway, that's my task yesterday. Got her done. Let it sit overnight. I'm really pleased with it so far. So we'll see how it goes through the year. I'm gonna get a permanent water hose. Like I said, I might even run the pipe down or something, and run it down a little farther this way and put like a short piece of hose in it. I can't leave that in the middle. It looks tacky, but anyway. All right, I'm happy with it. Tickled to death with it, to be honest with you. So let's go up, and I want to show you the inside of the farm stand after they put the mats and stuff down. It looks really good, and I got some mud on my feet, so I might not go in, I might just stay on the porch. But I can get a good picture of all that. So let's go up there and check it out real quick. While I'm thinking about it, before I show you the inside of this, I tried to get some pictures of the new bluebird we had down there at that house. I don't remember if you remember from the last video where we cleaned all that mess up. Well, I had a real bright, almost violet bluebird lived in there, and we scared him off. Well, he moved up next to the house, or they did, and so I got a new one down there. It's not quite as pretty, but I tried to get him on when I was tilling there. So here we go. So what we've done is, so what they did was, Allison painted, and you've seen the video, she painted that black, or the chalkboard paint. She painted the floor, and then she found these mats somewhere. That's a pretty good deal, and she put those down. It makes it look really good. So what we got left to do, of course, I'm gonna insulate the ceiling. Probably do that, maybe even tomorrow if it keeps this rain up. We got whiteboards we're going to put over where the vegetables go. That way we don't have to, that was the whole idea of the chalkboard paint, so we could write on there the prices and what it was. Didn't work too good, so now we got little whiteboards. We're going to Velcro to that over each stall, and I'll do that pretty soon too. So I just figured out how to work my light, so I'm going to reshoot this real quick. So, and I think they're gonna make some curtains that go around the bottom of that too, I think. So anyway, all right, there it is. I'm seeing spots. I looked right in that light. That sucker's a little it's bright. All right, so we'll be open on Saturday. Every Saturday we're open 9 to 5, or usually until we even really sell out really big and stuff like that. So, yeah, what we're gonna do, I never did finish. We're gonna insulate the ceiling, put curtains around, do the whiteboards, and then we got lights we're gonna put around the side, string lights. I'm gonna run permanent electricity down here. Probably put a freezer and a refrigerator. The freezer's for we're gonna sell some pasture raised chicken, like breast, thighs, and legs. Refrigerator is for the cookies. They got a little melty Saturday, but of course I didn't have the window open, I didn't have the fan on, so we might have to do that this weekend. All right, so I'm rambling. Hope you enjoyed the video. Got the garden tilled, we got the water system tested, the sprinkler system. We're gonna do the same thing in the next tie tunnel. Show you the end results of this. Hey, give us a thumbs up. Got a lot of new subscribers. A little small farm in East Tennessee, Southeast Tennessee, and I just retired, and this is my full-time job now, homesteading. This is our farm stand. It's open on Saturdays, 9 to 5. When our vegetables start coming in, they open every 6 days a week. So 9 to probably 5 or until we sell out that day. All right, so appreciate everybody watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.